Many things you have said. First, I acknowledge you of being reaching on the top there. See, Subhash, now you say you have multiple goals. What is wrong? You have multiple goals. See, look at yourself, Subhash. Are you married?
Yes, I am married. I have a daughter,
Okay, now you
grandson.
say, you, Subhash, I is a husband, right?
Yes,
Second, Subhash as a father.
yes,
Subhash I is the grandfather.
yes,
Subhash I is the boss.
yes.
Subhash I is the grandson.
Grandson.
There are so many I's in you. If you say I, Subhash, is the director, and whole your life you're only catered to the director, your wife will do talak to you. So you have to do Subhash as a director. You also have to fulfill the goal Subhash as a husband. You also have to fulfill the Subhash as the father. You also have to fulfill the role Subhash as the grandfather. You have to also fulfill the role Subhash as a brother. Arey Baba, there are multiple eyes in you.
Yes,
If you say only I, Subhash, as the director, and neglect as a husband, neglect as a father, neglect as a son, neglect as a brother, you are missing, sir. So you
yes,
should know the art of multitasking,
yes.
right? First
So,
thing. First thing. Now, short limitation, I'll allow you to ask the question.
yes,
So all of you, please understand. Lot of people, they only, for example, lot of women, Indian women in particular, their whole role is I am the wife of my husband. Whole role is only being wife. All right, but she will not fulfill. There, you are an individual also. You fulfill the role. Why? For example, now Subhash wants to learn Sanskrit. And if he is lost in being a director there, if you are lost in that, you are missing something. So why can't you as a wife and you as an individual want to be a director? I'm sorry, you want to learn Sanskrit. The same wife wants to learn Sanskrit. Right? So you can still do it if you have a vision. Right? Or you may have like to learn music. How you monetize on music, how you monetize on Sanskrit is another thing. So that is another business acumen. Now, for you to do all that, sir, right, first error in your thinking is why multiple goals. Now you are giving a philosophy. Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Uchate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevava Shishyate. Right? Your center is Purnam, but Vyavahar mein, Subhash, in Vyavahar, your Madhya Pradesh also is important, not only your Uttar Pradesh. Right? In Vyavahar, you have to cater your food. In your Vyavahar, please understand, means in your Vyavahar, you need money. Right? Purnamadam is where the Hindu scripture talks of Moksha Shastra, which is Purnamadam. It talks of Dharma Shastra. It talks of Artha, how to earn money. It also talks of Kama Shastra, how to fulfill your desires, sexual desires in a very sacred way. Right? Why only Moksha Shastra, Purnamidam, Purnat, you have said? इन व्यवहार में ये भी एक भाग होता है. So therefore, please understand your center should be Purnam. In Vyavahar, please understand you have to earn money. In Vyavahar, you have to take care of this. So are you understanding, Subhash? That is one aspect. Second aspect, right? All right, you get this now. Unmute yourself, Subhash. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
I,
Did you get?
I'm getting the clarity, sir, now, because
Very good. You keep
this is
yourself.
what is was I was looking for.
Yeah, keep yourself unmuted. Just be in case. So this is one thing. You have many personalities. You have to go. Why accountability partner is? Why accountability partner? See, for example, I am the founder of the trust. Prasanna Trust, I am the founder. I have created this trust. But please understand, I am running Annakshetra. 5,000 people we are feeding every day. In COVID time also we have fed 5,000. Right thing. We are also giving stents support to people. Hospital. Right? Now we are also giving education for so many people. Right? We are giving education to people. Now with this online, I have to hand so many online technology. Whether I should have click up, we should have this up, all that we are there coming and asking, how much should we go? Have to put. Tell me, is it possible me as one individual to cover all this? No. So one of my trustees in Annakshetra, they are in charge of it. I have an overview. That one of our trustees, Aditya Jayapuri, is fully in charge of it. Another trustee, Deviki Jayapuri, is in charge of our ashram farmland. Right? Now Shakila is sitting next to me. Shakila, she is in charge of IT, assisted by Subhash. Then we have graphic designer Dilip, which is there. Now tell me, do I know all the keynotes? Right? But I have to little learn, no? So I have learned how to use what is it called? TeamViewer. So now with COVID-19 on, I can't be near people. So I'm sitting right in my room and Dilip is sitting here. So I've learned how to use TeamViewer, and I tell him, take this thing, you put this charge, not this. And TeamViewer is so beautiful for me. In a distance, he can manipulate with my laptop and I can see his laptop, and even the distance, and we do. No, I have to learn everything I can do. So TeamViewer I know, but how to go in the graphics? If I go, then what will happen? So I have things, sir. So Subhash, we need to have accountability partners. We need to have even big companies. You are a director. Please see, there are board members who are not in the organization. They are board members. Right? You may be an IT person. You may be a historian as a board member in the IT. I have addressed many board members who are not in that profession, but who are excelled in some of the profession. They are part of the board members, sir. It's a part of accountability thing only, you know. So here I have kept an accountable partner. You came late, I think, no? I said, in Sanskrit I'll tell you, yukti yuktam pragranyat balat api vikchakshanaha ravehe avishayam vastu kinna deepaha pakashayit. I told in the beginning. He says, if you can learn, even balat api vikchakshanaha, you can learn from a small kid. Ravehe avishayam vastu kinna deepaha prakashayit. What a little lamp can do, the great sun cannot do. The little lamp can learn, little lamp can shine in the night. The sun cannot shine in the night. So balat, from a kid also you can learn. So why can't the culture of accountability partner is somebody supporting you? Buddha said, Sangam Sharanam Gacchami. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?